right, guys, so we're going to do a little review from Chapter 6, Section 2. It's set up in a quiz style, and you just have a few questions to go through. They're multiple choice. I only gave you 2 answers. So the first one here, name the part of the chloroplast where the Calvin cycle takes place. The Calvin cycle is known as the dark reactions. So the dark reactions are going to take place within the stroma. The light reactions take place in the thylakoid. What is the difference between CAM and C4 plants? One uses nitrogen instead of carbon dioxide, or they have their stomata open at different times of the day. That one is actually going to be the second choice here. Sometimes the one type of plant will have their stomata open only at night. The other type of plant has their stomata open halfway, and that's all just to try to prevent water loss. How could a global temperature increase affect plants? Well, we know initially if it gets warmer, those plants are going to start photosynthesizing a lot more. And when it gets to be too hot, they're going to close their stomata because they're going to start losing water. So it's going to kind of plateau. It's going to reach a really high point, and then it's just going to stop altogether. So plants won't take over the planet unless, along with that temperature increase, there is a very high increase in humidity as well. And if it starts raining a lot, then those plants won't have to worry about losing that water. And the last one, why might increased light intensity not result in an increased rate of photosynthesis? So initially we know that if you increase the light, you're going to increase the rate of photosynthesis as well. You can only increase the rate of photosynthesis as long as there are electrons that are left to excite. Once you have excited all of your electrons, then photosynthesis cannot continue to increase. It's going to plateau just like it did with that temperature increase. So we're going to go with this one here. If all the electrons are excited, then the rate of photosynthesis cannot increase. It doesn't matter how much more light you give them. There's nothing that those plants can do to use it because, again, all their electrons are excited. And then you'll come down here and you'll hit Submit Quiz at the bottom. Alrighty, guys. I believe tomorrow we're going to play a review game, and then we have our test coming up on Friday. Let's make sure you are studying up for that.